Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send Toncoin from Bybit to Tonkeeper wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and also check out my bonus link to Bybit in the description for you to sign up if you haven't already. Now on Bybit you want to go ahead to your assets and click withdraw option. From here you want to go ahead and search for Toncoin and click on it. Now you will need to put an address. So an address would be on Tonkeeper. Open up your Tonkeeper, go to Toncoin and click on option receive. From here you will see your address here, which you want to go ahead and copy and go back to Bybit. Now enter the address here, and now the network is of course Ton. The memo is not required because you are sending it to Tonkeeper, which doesn't have memos. And from here you're going to enter how much you want to send, and you will also see all of the fees here. So just make sure you have, as you can see, withdrawal fees are 0.1 ton. And that's pretty much it. After that, just click withdraw and your transaction will be done. Now your ton will be here on your Tonkeeper and appear here. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.